Hi, I'm Susan, and if you're here, you're probably struggling just like I was with those stubborn pounds that just won't shift. Believe me, I know exactly how frustrating that feels, but I've discovered something that's truly made a difference. I'd tried everything, strict diets, hours at the gym, and yet the scales just wouldn't budge. Then I discovered Zenthia, very important. Only buy this from the official website. Not from Amazon, not from Boots, not from Holland & Barrett. Only the official website guarantees the genuine product. I've put the link below in the description. Click the link in the description now to visit the official website and take advantage of the current discount. What convinced me is the 100% natural, vegan-friendly formula. Zenthia is designed to support healthy weight management, boost your energy levels, control cravings, and promote a healthy metabolism. It's gluten-free, GMO-free, and made to strict European quality standards specifically for the UK market. Using it couldn't be simpler. Just take 1 capsule per day with a full glass of water, ideally 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. That's it. It fits effortlessly into your daily routine. After a few weeks, I noticed real changes: more energy, fewer cravings for snacks, and finally the scales started moving in the right direction. And the best part? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're not risking anything at all. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description, visit the official website, and discover Zenthia for yourself.